What really stood out to me in this class were the different teaching methods we got to learn. I think it's very important as a teacher to have more than one way of teaching, especially since there's lots of kids and students out there that you're going to get that don't learn the same way. They can't learn from just straight instruction or just straight PowerPoint or taking notes. I think it's important to give it to your students in a creative way that catch their attention and makes them enjoy learning. And I also think it helps prepare students to use technology in their own lives as well, because technology is such a huge part of today's society, and I think it's very important that they're able to use technology later on for their future careers. And I also like how we're able to use these different methods of teaching in class as a group as well. I think it really helped bring in different ideas and concepts and cultures into the teaching styles, and I think that by doing this in class, it gets us more prepared and gives us more time to learn how to do these as educators. I also think it was great how we got to consider using these methods in our own learning objectives as well, because I think students would really enjoy being creative and being able to use these different methods. And I think it just kind of opened my eyes to all the different ways there are to teach and educate students.